mga Kaji Mommies! Welcome to our morning walk. Labor Day today, so here we will focus to our health goals. This is what I really want in the morning. 5 AM pa ko nigikan og balay, but hangtod karon wa pay tawo diri. This is what I really love in the province. See that? Ako ra gihapon isa. 3 kilometers na ang akong giwalk, guys. And I am enjoying alone.